In this video, I'm going to show you how to make daily to-do lists in Trello. So in here, after successfully accessing your Trello board account in homepage, what we're going to do first is we're going to navigate on the board wherein we want to input the daily to-do list task. So to do that, we simply scroll down to the bottom part. And as you can see on this section, your workspaces, you can see the complete list of workspaces that you have created inside your account. We simply navigate to the workspace wherein the board that we're going to input the list is inside. So let's say for this video, we're going to use Trello Workspace as the demonstration board or demonstration workspace. Then we go to this specific board as the place where we be inputting the task. So we simply click in here. And once you click, this will then provide you the complete overview and visual appearance of the board that you selected. And as you can see, we have various cards and lists in here. So the first thing that you're going to do is to create a list wherein you input all of your to-do list via cards. So as you can see, we already have that. We have to do in here. Let's just rename this as the daily to-do list. And after that, after creating the list, we simply add the card now. Let's say for this, we'll be going to the supermarket, do the laundry, go to school, read books, go to the gym, and other daily agendas in here. So after you have accomplished some of it or in progress, you can simply move it to doing. And once done, you just put it to done. By doing this, we are able to keep track of the task that we need to do in a daily basis and monitor the progress. And that's about it. That's how to make daily to-do list in Trello. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And I'll do my best to help you out.